Here are our last two problems for the review sheet, number 22 and 23. Number 22, all we're doing is finding the value of x. The first thing that we need to notice over here is that we have an equilateral triangle. And what we have learned is that equilateral triangles classified by the sides are also classified by their angles. They're also equiangular, meaning all three sides are equal. So if all three sides have to add up to 180 degrees, and we have to split that 180 evenly between three different angles, 180 divided by 3, we learned in a previous lesson that each angle equals 60 degrees. It's going to be a lot easier than knowing that, okay, so we have equilateral, so we know we're equiangular. So rather than adding the 8x minus 4 3 times to equal 180, use this shortcut, knowing that equilateral, equiangular triangles, their angles are 60 degrees. So now all we have to do is set the 8x minus 4 equal to 60. Two easy steps here. We're going to add 4 to both sides to cancel it on the left. We'll wind up 8x equals 64. Then we divide. And x is going to equal 8. And we're done. A lot easier than adding all three, combining your apples and oranges, and moving things around. Very, very short, easy steps. Equilateral triangles are also equiangular. Angles are 60 degrees. Nice, easy peasy. Now, number 23 is given this following information, that triangle CAT is congruent to triangle RED, so we can find our corresponding parts. They're going to give us 3 different measurements of angles, and they want us to find the measure of angle T. So I want to make sure that I highlight that so that I'm not just solving for x, I need to take a step further. So let's go ahead and take a look at what information they gave us. Angle A right here is going to be 8x minus 14. And I want to check this out. Angle A is going to correspond with angle E. So that means angle A over here and angle E will be congruent. The reason I want to know that is because here they give me the measurement of angle E, which is going to be 3x plus 6. Then they're going to give me the measurement of angle T right here, which is going to be 6x plus 2. Now, we cannot use triangle sum theorem and add all 3 of these to equal 180 because we do not have angle C or angle R. As you can see up here, angle C and R correspond. So we only have 2 of the 3 angles. But what we do have are 2 congruent angles, angle A and angle E. So since they are congruent, we can set them equal to each other and solve for x. And then we can substitute it in to find angle T, the measurement of angle T. So we'll take that 8x minus 14, set it equal to our 3x plus 6. We need to start moving things around. I'm going to move my variables first, the one with the smaller coefficients. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. 5x minus 14 will equal, left with just a 6 on the right. And let's get that constant away from x. So minus 14, do the opposite and add 14. So we have 5x is equal to 20. To get rid of that 5, we need to divide. And then x will equal 4. Now remember, it's not what we wanted. We need that to get what we want. What we wanted to find was the measure of angle T. And we were told in the problem that it was 6x plus 2. So we're going to use our substitution property, and we are going to substitute the x for 4, and then just solve. 6 times 4 gives us 24. Bring out that plus 2. The measurement of angle T will come out to 26 degrees. We are done with this problem, and we are done with the review sheet. We'll wish you best of luck on your test.